In this problem, car A is moving along. It's going to collide with car B in a perfectly inelastic collision. What is the speed of A immediately after the collision? So A is moving along. B is just sitting here at rest. They're going to collide. Because they have a perfectly inelastic collision, they're going to stick together. That means that their final velocity is the same. So even though it says what's the speed of car A, well, A and B have the same speed. So we want to look at what is the momentum before the collision. Before the collision, you have car A is moving. So its momentum is its mass times its velocity. After the collision, the final momentum must equal the original momentum. And so after the collision, the two masses are stuck together times their final velocity. So law of conservation of momentum says the momentum before the collision equals the momentum after the collision. And we want to solve for the final velocity. So I'm going to divide by the total mass. And so the mass of A, 900 kilograms, times the velocity of A, 8.3 meters per second, divided by the total mass, 900 kilograms for A, plus 300 kilograms for B. And let me get that number. So 900 times 8.3, but divided by 900 plus 300. So we get a final speed of 6.2 meters per second.